Hi students, now I am going to discuss one of the Python program to convert binary to decimal without using any function. Very first line of this program is non-executable statement which is start with a hash symbol which is not executed in the runtime. It is called single line command. Next line I am going to read the n value from the keyboard. Input function is used to read the n value from the keyboard. First of all, it will display the message, enter the binary value. After displaying the message, the cursor will move to immediate next line. Why? Because here I am using \n. \n is used to move the cursor to next line. Okay, whatever value I am reading from the keyboard through input function, it treat as a string. So string value I am assigning to n. Next, it will display the message binary equivalent decimal number is. This will display the message on the screen. Here r equal to s equal to 0. That means r and s value I am assigning to 0. Here next statement is loop statement, that is start with I variable, range the input value, that is length of the input value. My input is 10101001, that is input length is 8 minus 1 it is 7. 7 to minus 1 condition is true. 7 to minus 1 condition is true. My input is 10101001, that is 8 minus 1 7. 7 to minus 1 condition true. Every loop statement is end with the colon. Okay, next r value equal to 0, r equal to r plus n of that I value is 7, n of 7th location value will convert, that is string, that assigned to integer, that converted to integer. Int function is used to convert the integer, then into 2 to the power 0, that is s value here 0. 2 to the power 0, anything power 0 means 1. 1 into n of 7th location value is also 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 will add to r and assign to r. Now r value is 1. Now s value become s plus 1, that is 0 plus 1, 1. Now control comes here. I value 7, 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 to minus 1 condition is true. Then control comes here. R value equal to 1. R plus n of the 6th location value is 0. That is 0. 0 into 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 means 1, 2. 2 into 0, 0. So 1 plus 0, R value became 1 only. Then s value become 1 plus 1, it will become 2. Then control comes here. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 to minus 1 condition is true. Then control comes here. R value is 1. 1 plus s of n of 5th location value 0. 0 into 2 to the power 2, that is 4 into 0, 0. Now R value is still 1. Then control comes here. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then control comes here. I value is 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 to minus 1 condition is true. N of third location value 1. N of third location value 1. 1 into 2 to the power 1 into 2 to the power 3, that is 8. 8 into 1, 8. 8 plus 1, R value become 9. Then control comes here and S value will become 3 plus 1, 4. Then control comes here and 3 minus 1, 2. 2 to minus 1 condition is true. Then control comes here. N of second location value. N of second location value is 0. 0 into 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4, 16. 16 into 0. 0. 0 plus already R value is 9. So R value is 9 only. Then S value, that is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Then control comes here and I value 2. 2 minus 1. 1. 1 to minus 1 condition is true. Then control comes here. N of first location value, that is 1. 1 into 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 means 32. 32 into 1. 32 into 1, 32. My plus R value 9. That is 32 plus 9. R value become 41. then control comes here, S value become 5 plus 1 6, then control comes here, minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 greater than 0, condition is true, then S of first location value, that is 0, 0 into 2 to the power 6, that is 64 into 0 plus R value is 41. 41, R value become 41, then control comes here, and S value is 6 plus 1 7, then control comes here, 1 minus 1 0, 0 to minus 1, condition is true, n of 0th location value is 1, 1 into 2 to the power 7, that is 128 into 1, 128 plus R value is 41, it will become 128 plus 41, it will become 169, R value become 169, then control comes here, that is 7 plus 1 8, then control comes here, 0 minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 to minus 1, condition is false, then control comes here and it print the R value, that is 10101001, equivalent binary value is 169, it will print. There is no other statement, program is over. We will see the output. F5 is used to run the program. 10101001. This is my input, you may get 169. Okay, thank you. Kindly subscribe my channel and press bell icon and share to social media. Okay.